Welcome to Built Out Creation. This is Priyanka Purswani. I hope you all are doing well, safe and healthy too. Today we have Lakshman Sharma with us, who is the leading color contractor in Gujarat. So how are you, Mr. Lakshman?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Tell us some brief about your business.
Well, my main work is to decorate dream homes for everybody. I am color and polish service work provider contractor from Ahmedabad. Also, I am working in Pan India. We do serve each and every kind of color and polish work, like a simple polish to French or Italian polish, and we also do simple paint work like white wash to acrylic paints, royal touch paints, luxurious paints. We are dealing in paint service in Ahmedabad since 1980. That's it.
As we all know that we are facing pandemic like Corona. So how your business has affected and what are the problems you have faced during this pandemic?
Yes, this pandemic situation has affected my business too. In this pandemic, we got a lockdown in our country, and because of that, labor went to their hometown, and due to that, my work got affected because of the heavy situation was going on that time. Like pandemic was on its peak on that time. So yes, it's affected more than what we have seen.
As we all know that many of the laborers were thrown out of their companies. So how you have helped your laborers from getting rid of this pandemic?
Yes, in those days, I was thinking about my laborers, and it was my responsibility to protect them from this pandemic, to protect them from this coronavirus. So I have arranged shelter homes and food for them as well. This is what I have done for them.
So with God's grace, we are getting normal back to our situation from this pandemic. And also we know that you might have some future plans regarding your business. So what are they?
Well, in future, I'm thinking about to establish some new kind of equipments like sanitizing machines, and I'm also thinking about to take that gloves things on serious note. The mask is on serious note. So yes, in future we are going to be serve more safe painting service in Ahmedabad and Pan India as well.
That's great. That's great to know about your future plans regarding your business. Also, we are hoping that you might achieve your future goals regarding your businesses. Behind the success of every businessman and entrepreneur, they have staff and a team behind that. So now we will have word with that team so that we come to know about how they work and some of their words.
मेरा नाम पीरम भाई। इस कंपनी में हम 15 साल से काम कर रहे हैं। हमारा लगभग कम से कम 55-60 का कारीगर का स्टाफ है हमारे लोगों का। इससे ज़्यादा डिजाइन की है हम लोगों ने। ये तो कुछ भी डिजाइन नहीं, इससे हेवी डिजाइन की है। ये तो नॉर्मल है हमारा। हम लोग वो पीयू मेट करते, पीयू ये अपने क्या बोलते हैं लेमिनेशन करते, अपने ये अपने पॉलिश ये मेट करते, नेकर पॉलिश करते। ये कंपनी में हम लगभग कम से कम 15 साल से काम कर रहे हैं। अहमदाबाद के अलावा बाहर करती है कंपनी, जैसे अभी ये अपने ये सौराष्ट्र है, विरमगांव है, बाहर का काम भी हम लोग करते हैं। हिम्मतनगर है, ये सौराष्ट्र है, फिर ये अपने नागपुर, अमरेली, फिर ये डसा गाँव बोलते हैं सौराष्ट्र वाले, डसा गाँव है, तारापुर है, शांतिपुरा चौकड़ी तारापुर है। प्राइवेट काम के हिसाब से बंगला है, ये अपने कंपनी का स्कीम का काम हम लोग को करते हैं, पूरा काम करते हैं। हमारा ये लगभग कम से कम 4 माल से लेके 3 माल से लेके कम से कम 10 माल 12 माल 14 माल, हाँ इससे भी ज़्यादा अभी बिल्डिंग के क्या नए ज़्यादा माल की बनती है। ये संस्था में काम करके हमको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। यू आर वेलकम।
Thank you so much, Mr. Lakshman Sharma, for giving your precious time to us, and hope you achieve more and more.
Thank you so much. It was pleasure meeting you guys. It was great fun work with Build Out Creation. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thanks for watching our video. Hope you liked this and got learnings from this. We will be back soon with some new businesses, and till then stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy and stay tuned. Bye bye.